Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. My name is Anna. I wanted to share with you a couple of cards that I have made for a swap, and they are of course Valentine cards. So let me show you what I've done. These were a requirement for that mailbox that I showed you guys earlier. It's a swap. So I had never made either one of these cards before, so I thought, yes, I love the challenge. So what I did was I used pink cardstock right here and for the base, and then I used a edge die that I have, and I cannot really remember at the moment. I'm trying to look for it really quick, but I don't see it. I don't remember what brand it is. I'll try to link it in the description box if I can remember what it is, or if I have it labeled. Anyway, so I did use some of the nesting heart dies that I had shared with you guys. I used that for the bottom, and I used one for the next larger or the next smaller size for the top. I used the some letters that I had in my stash, some die cuts, and I put Valentine right there. And it is cut out of the same paper that these corner edges or corner dies are cut out of. It's a glittery paper. And then I just put a couple of bling pieces right here. I did the pink and the iridescent, and then I put a little pink heart on there, a little bling piece. And then right here I put an enamel dot along with another pink bling piece, and this is up on dimension, so I used foam for the middle layer, and that's what I did for. And the paper was what was the paper? Was that Parisian Lane from Recollections that I had gotten at Michael's. So that is the paper that I used, and that is the same paper that I used on the mailbox. So then we open it up and it flips that way. And I just put a sticker on the top just so it wouldn't be so bare. It was already getting kind of heavy, so I didn't want it to topple over when my recipient opened it. So if you'll see right there, it says Valentine, and then right here it says Be Mine. So I thought that was kind of cute, and right here is enough room for a message. And at the bottom it's got some vellum paper and then pink on the top, and I put some more hearts on the sides. And this was actually a lot of fun to do. And again, I double layered the hearts to match to the ones on the front. And I had never made one of these, and I just thought it was so much fun. I really did enjoy making that. So that's the first card. And on the second one, I did the same on the hearts, except I used the solid color on the front and the glitter paper on the front on the top. And then I had some stickers from the Dollar Tree, and I just thought that was so pretty, and I think it went on there very well. I put enamel dots here, and I put a heart over here on this side. Again, I matted it with the glitter paper and then the flower paper on the front. And this right here is a shaker right there. And I put the key, it was along with this pack of stickers. I put the key right there. It says Key to My Heart. I just thought that was really cute, and yeah, I like that. And the sequence mix that I used actually was in a swap from last year, and I don't do mini sequence or shaker cards or tags or anything, so I thought the colors blended in very nicely, so I went ahead and used that, and I really like that. And then this one, when you open up, this one is an easel card. So this one opens up, and it's an easel card. So all the decor is on that first page, on that front panel. And then again, I put a room for a message, and I put some pearls right there to hold the card upright, right there. And yeah, that is my second card, guys. This was actually a lot of fun too. And all this is up on dimension, so it's not totally flat. And yeah, I had fun making this as well. And again, I used the nesting heart dies for this. And I just love it. Yeah. I hope my partner does too. Anyway, guys, I thought I'd come on here really quick and show you the cards that I had made for Valentine's Day. I liked both of them. I think both of them came out really, really cute. And I have a favorite. Which one is yours? If you have a favorite, let me know in the comment section. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. And I will talk to everybody later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.